I feel like the better you understand how to draw fire, the more fun it becomes. And it's actually probably easier than you think to make it look real and convincing. Most people draw fire like this, which is fine, but it just seems a bit fake. So instead, let's start with a dark background, maybe dark blue or red. On a new layer, take a light highlighter yellow, and start creating the shape of the fire. There is a lot more you can do than just the typical rose shape. You could have a round, lumpy base with long, sharp points twisting out of it, or your whole flame can be round and lumpy. I like having some round, disconnected shapes around the main body of the fire, rather than it just being a single solid shape. And if your fire is on the move, like it's being shot out of a flamethrower, or being blown in the wind, you can have all sorts of different shapes. For whatever shape you choose, the lasso tool is your friend here. Check and see if your program has one, and if it doesn't, get a new program. Your program is lame. Now that we have the basic shape, you should hopefully also have the option to lock the layer so that you can only draw inside of what you've already put down. Take a soft brush and add some yellowy orange to the weaker edges of the fire, which should be furthest from the base. Now make a new layer underneath this one, and use the same soft brush with a red-orange color and add glow to your fire. This should make it come to life and feel hot. And now you have the option to add sparks. Real sparks look like thin lines, so at least don't use perfect circles. Also, don't make them look too bright or it will look very jarring. Sample the color of the weaker part of the fire, and it should look fine. Now that you have this knowledge, I forbid you from drawing fire like this ever again. Good day.